Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send live chat events to Google Analytics or GA4. So first up, go ahead and go to your Google Analytics account. Now, under accounts, make sure that you're currently logged into the account that you wanted live chat to connect to. All right. And then once that's done, go ahead over to admin right here at the bottom left. Click on it. Now let's go and find data streams. Okay. Click on data streams. Now select your web data, for example, this one, and just copy the measurement ID. Now go back to live chat in here. In your live chat account, go to the left panel and look for apps. Now go ahead and find analytics. Just hit on enter, scroll down, and you'll find Google Analytics in here. Click on it and hit on get. Okay, as you can see here, it needs a payment. So just go ahead and make the payment, install it, and then once done, it will ask you for the measurement ID. Just paste the measurement ID, and you'll be seeing Google Analytics in this section or in the app section. Don't forget to hit on save. Okay, and once that's done, you're good to go. You could also do the same by using GTM or Google Tag Manager. If you want me to create that specific video, you can go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll certainly make that for you. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.